In this video, we'll explain the difference between segments and tags in Mailchimp and help you understand when to use each one. Let's start with tags. Tags are manually assigned labels used for organization. For example, you can create tags like customers, VIP, newsletter, or event attendees. A contact can have multiple tags, making it easy to categorize your audience. Now let's look at segments. Segments are dynamic groups of contacts created based on specific conditions or rules. For example, you can create a segment of contacts who opened your last email, subscribed within the last 30 days, or are located in a certain country. As your audience data changes, the segment updates automatically. So what's the main difference? Tags are manually assigned labels used for organization, while segments are rule-based groups that automatically include contacts matching your selected criteria. In many cases, you'll use both together, tags to organize your audience and segments to send highly targeted email campaigns. And that's the difference between Mailchimp segments and tags.